Welcome to Module 8, Marketing for Cultural Ventures. In today's world, culture doesn't just speak, it competes, connects, and inspires through strategy and storytelling. This module equips you with the tools to market cultural and creative ventures, not just to promote, but to communicate meaning and engage communities. You'll learn how to identify and understand your audience, build authentic brand stories rooted in cultural values, use traditional and digital strategies, including AI, for powerful storytelling and targeting. Case studies and hands-on activities guide you to design your own tailored marketing plan, practical, strategic, and culturally impactful. You'll also explore ethical and inclusive marketing, ensuring your message is accessible, respectful, and representative. Whether you're launching a local project or reaching international audiences, this module helps you build visibility, foster connection, and shape cultural narratives that endure.